Leave
There,
him.
woman.
I didn't mean to, sorry.
You better be.
I am not. I'm back.
Am. You're making Daddy very angry.
Hold
Ugh.
on. You need to
I feel
calm down.
I feel so gross saying that. Ugh.
Freaking oh god, why did I spawn back in its night?
You did not join the right server.
Oh shoot, whoops.
Your friend Gorilla Grip Taint has joined the experience. Oh, thank God. By me.
Imagine Gorilla Grip Taint goes in for an interview and they call for Mr. Taint. Oh, there's Toby, the random art person.
Grab a table.
How do you grab things?
E.
E-A, oh, there we go. How do you rotate?
R. There's 3 different ways you can rotate. You press 1, 2, and 3. All different.
Oh.
Oh.
Gorilla Grip
I'm gonna
Taint.
go
You guys
likes
didn't see that
this.
bot.
You need food in this game to survive, by the way.
Holy crap, dude.
Or else
I'm having so much trouble with the table. I've just placed it sideways and wrong. I think we need some decorative design.
I agree. If you find a Gunkelskog, it's
What
gonna be
the-
really.
Can you see what I did to the table?
What the
Don't touch it. It's our defense mechanism. Oh, he got no legs.
Do you mean he only has legs?
Oh, god dang it. I'm stupid. Jesus. He's got no legs. Look, no matter what I do, I can't get it to be straight. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. You know, you make our base safe. I know what I'm doing. We're building a ramp to heaven.
Okay, I can make a ladder that literally goes to heaven.
Oh, no, don't worry. Don't worry.
What are you doing?
Uncle DJ Nolan's got us. Don't worry.
I love Roblox.
God,
Say
just-
it back.
I love Roblox.
Trace, do you love Roblox?
I'm sorry.
He's racist.
What?
Oh my god,
So-
we need a TV on our crib. I'm putting the TV in the crib. Alright, Molly, come look at our TV. I can't place anything straight. I'm not even joking.
Trace, it would make Daddy very happy if you joined our Roblox game right now.
What in the fresh f?
I can't. The game doesn't work on Xbox very well. I can't build on Xbox.
It's coming along nicely.
What the hell is this?
My stairway to heaven? Is there fall damage in this game?
Yes. Go around and find out, won't we?
Ah! Oh, God.
Get on top of the stairway.
This is why I built the stairway to heaven and the light.
The light doesn't do freaking anything. Oh wait, whatever you do, do not press H. It will lure them here. I'm gonna beat the shit out of you. Nolan is like,
I think you pressed 8.
He's dumb. Oh!
Ooh, Penguin and Ballages also spawn in there. They're like stuffed animals.
Why did you just say it like that? What did you just speak enchantment table to me?
No, Penguin and Ballage.
What the is that?
I'll show you.
Are you speaking Russian to me? Are you having a
Penguin and Ballage.
Are you speaking Dutch to me? Like, yeah, he can't get through because his big dome, his enlarged cranium doesn't allow him through.
Gorilla Grip Taint asked for weapons.
I did!
What?
Can I take a stove? Oh my god, I'm taking the stove. I see what we call our abomination of a house. You set a waypoint.
T.
He's acting up. It's my
Oh, here we go. My
Oh.
name, Gorilla Taint.
Pickle.
My color, obviously a gorilla's taint is black. How do I, oh, there it is. Gorilla Grip Taint's waypoint.
Yeah,
What the? My sister just farted at me.
my frickin'
Oh, God.
Mentos. Oh no, no! Oh, I'm not in a good spot. Oh, oh! What is that guy? Oh, 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 oh!
Oh, oh,
What?
oh, there's a really big black man.
Get off. Yeah, he's chasing me
Oh
too.
my god, he's huge and red. We're being
He
chased by
said the
huge.
building is closed, guys.
I know.
I pushed him over.
Molly, you're
Oh
gonna
my
see
God,
him. You're gonna see him in about 2 to 3 business days. God, I'm trying to get up on this thing and I keep, you know, Roblox being Roblox.
He's back! Why is he back?
Oh my god. He's so tall and he's just running towards me.
Oh, I see Nolan. Nolan.
Why do you look like
Where
that?
are you
baby.
guys?
Trace looks like a
I'm
natural
screaming.
gas tank. Oh god, Trace,
Where are you
I think the
going?
big black men, there's 2 of them coming after you. There's 2 massive black guys coming after you.
Get out of here. I pushed him off.
Dude, I was on the stairway to heaven and it.
I mean, I don't like this.
Oh, he can get me. He can get me.
I pushed him over. I pushed him over. I pushed him over.
Oh god.
Ron Nolan.
Oh, that's Hubert.
I'm bringing him up here.
Oh my gosh, that was so intense.
Oh, I am out of here. Screw
Oh.
this.
That was so intense.
I'm
The person who made this game definitely snorted bath salts when naming these things.
No, Balaj is the actual name.
Balaj. I know.
Don't
I
worry
told
about
you.
it. Alright,
I told you he's built
you're
like a gnat. Oh, he died.
I hate you.
Okay.
What happens if you press Control Shift R?
It resets the
Oh,
rotation.
I could have been doing this that whole time.
Yeah.
Wait, who's here?
Just
Is that Dylan?
Wow, no one. Wow.
Oh, it's
Good
Tom.
job.
Multiple big black men are like me and Trace a lot.